Hello everyone, welcome to grade 7, chapter number 1. We are beginning with the chapter integers. It's a very important and a very interesting chapter. We'll do it with various activities also. So to begin with the chapter, let me introduce the word integer to you. Though we have already done it in grade 6 that what are integers. But before integers, there were many type of numbers that were already introduced here. So before starting with the integers, let's see what are natural numbers. So you know, the natural numbers are the set of numbers which starts from 1 and continues till infinity. Like if we say the connection of the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on will give you the natural numbers. If to the set of natural number I add a 0 also, then the set of the numbers, the collection of the numbers will then become the whole numbers, what we call as whole numbers, right? So we can say whole number is natural numbers, all the natural numbers including 0, they will form a whole number. After that, there were the numbers which were introduced and they are called as negative numbers, right? You have already done it in grade 6 also. What are negative numbers? These are the numbers like 0. Before 0, we include the numbers which are smaller than 0. Right? So like -1, -2, -3, they all are negative numbers. Even you can have negative rationals also, negative fractions also. Like -1 upon 2, -3 upon 4, -7 upon 8 and so on. Also there can be negative decimal numbers also. Right? So with a collection of the numbers, but here when we are talking about negative numbers, we are only talking about the negative whole numbers like -1, -2, -3 and so on. Okay, so if to the set of natural numbers I add a 0, I get a set of whole numbers, and if to the set of whole numbers if I add a negative number, then the collection of numbers what we get is called as an integer. So here we can say integers are the number which can be positive or negative, but they cannot be fractions. For example, we have -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. All the numbers, they will be integers. But the fractions like 1 upon 2, 3 upon 4, they will not be the integer in this case. Also, we can define integer as a collection of the positive whole numbers, 0 and negative numbers. In simple, you can see here, they all are negative numbers with 0 and all the positive numbers. It may continue after 3 as well. So here we got to know what basically an integer is.